Well, you want to just throw this into the dip with the carburetor and see if it...
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, just put her in there.
Yeah. You want to put all these screws in there, or you don't worry about it? I don't.
It's up to you.
Yeah, I don't worry about it. Got like a small Phillips, Dennis?
Over here.
I should take that.
Check that out, George.
Good, yeah. Perfect.
You want to just dunk this whole thing in there like that? It's not going to hurt anything.
Yep, yep.
Why is it?
Is it stiff?
It's not just stiff. It's
Well, he's got this adjusted down all the way to close the valve. There's a valve here that's supposed to open and close. There's no needle in it. He's missing the... No, it's in there. Just not dropping down. There. Yeah, I'd say just drop those in there, huh?
check that out. Look at that big chunk of something came out of that.
Yeah. When I bought the car, he told me, he says, yeah, the guy just rebuilt the carburetor.
Yeah. Huh. That's
Yeah.
weird, George. I pulled this cap off it.
Yeah.
This came off.
That's ready.
No, it's keyed,
Keyed,
kind of,
yeah.
But then you need to pull this fiber, this thing off.
Hey Dennis, you got like a little tray to put all these little screws in?
Yeah, right here.
You want to put that? Yeah, we can dip them. Okay, that's those.
That's the strangest thing. It's like that thing is pushed down too far.
Yeah.
if you want me to, I'm gonna just dip this whole thing in there.
Yep.
But it's not. That's not gonna fix.
It won't hurt it.
No, it won't. I pulled the fiber washer off there. Over here.
This thing should be adjustable. This has got to go up and down to get the float level.
Yeah,
This
but
is,
it's.
he's got it screwed all the way down.
Yeah.
So that it stays closed, so that no gas was getting in. He was running it on like a 2-barrel. So we're gonna screw that out.
I don't think it screws though, does it?
This is adjustable, yeah, it screws in here. On the outside threads are. It's made so you put a little wrench on it, but he locked it all the way down. Yeah, these gaskets are new. Well, he did something, but he sure didn't rebuild it.
Yeah, look at this, George.